Barnes & Amp. Noble jumps on Barnes & Noble Incorporated surged after a report that the company is close to a deal to sell itself to Elliott Management Corp., the New York hedge fund. Two parties have emerged as the most likely buyers for the book retailer, people with knowledge of the process told Bloomberg News. These are Elliott and Chairman Leonard Riggio, the company's largest shareholder, would be part of the Reader Link deal, the People said. A decision by the Wall Street Journal earlier reported that Elliott was the front-runner in the process, while the Financial Times said that Elliott would offer $6.50 a share in a deal that values the chain at $476 million. The shares rose as much as 36% to $6.24, the most since 2012. Following the stock, Elliott, run by the billionaire Paul Singer, has experience in the book business. It acquired Barnes & Noble, with more than 600 stores, has tried strategies such as offering food and coffee and selling non-book merchandise, but has failed to stem the onslaught of Amazon.com Incorporated. Along the way, despite the relentless competition from Amazon, Barnes & Noble has managed to somewhat stabilize its business over the past few years, with revenue declines narrowing to a drop of 3.1% last year. The retailer still, U.S. book publishers may also have incentive to support the chain, since its disappearance would give Amazon even more power to dictate prices in the industry. And while the online, Riggio took over as chief executive officer on an interim basis after his predecessor, Demos Parnaros, was fired without severance a year ago. The dispute in October, the company said it was a sale to several interested parties, including Riggio. Riggio had Barnes & Noble declined to comment. Talks are ongoing.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,